Hey guys, back with another video, and we're reacting to the SMM Top Magical Best Animated SMM collab. And I said SMM twice, so let's do this. Alright, guys. Am I getting mixed up with Gajoob and Goodeye? This is Goodeye, I know it. Hold up, I'm trying to stop. Doing, this is actually smooth. At least Pink Palm is. I think that guy that looks like the sun and the things are orbiting him, I think that's custom made, and the one with the mouse teeth, I don't know. And he's hitting it so it looks like a drum. I think that's custom made too. Just be honest, the art is cool. Oh, he's making that sound. Just be honest, that was beautiful. What's the man doing? Looking like Bill Safi. Look at this cute man. He's looking like Bill Safi. He's looking like. Oh my God! Not bongos. Bongos. You're about to get it up and not English. Just dang, the best dynamic duo. Dude, this is beautiful. This is the best dynamic duo. Next is Psychic Island. My favorite island in the game, bro. Dang, gas. And I think that other guy's a wobbling. Yeah, that guy's a wobbling. Just be honest, it sounds fire. Yeah, keep going, gas. Oh my God! This is little huzzahs! Hold up, is that spirit? Hold up, I'll let you guys know what the heck the huzzahs. Listen to this man, hold up. Doing. Sick! No one could make it cooler than I thought he was reading himself. Dude, this actually sounds like a dojo thing with this little star guy with this. Oh my God, humbug! Aren't you supposed to be flying? Oh my God! Oh my God, it's the stone guy. I love him. I am turning this up. I am turning this up. No, I'm just gonna say flute. I mean paddle, I don't know, paddle, I'm just gonna call him Paddle and the stone guy, they were popping off. Oh my God, pop off with the victory horns. Is that diamond guy? Sorry. Diamond guy. I don't know if he's making a sound or not. I really don't know. Doing T-Rock. Doing Joey. Doing whoever you are. Don't stare at Poppy Wall. I'm talking about the bad by the sheep. Knucklehead. Oh, what? That dog's my type. Remember? He was a green dog. And I kind of laughed like a dog. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. I'm gonna sing with my little bro. Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff. Bone Island! Hold up, I'm turning this up. Everyone vibe out. Bone Island's probably one of the best ones yet. Dude, why do they have those one things? Like, little tires and everything on? Wow. Dang, there's another doggy. Is that a seal? Is that a dog? Just to be honest, oh my god, yeah, it's extra. Dang, Costco, wanna pop off. Everyone keeps calling the two birds Cosmo and Wanda because they kind of do. But that's only a style, okay? Dang. Dude, the guy on the left is going crazy. Hey! Oh, that's good. Okay, how does that dinosaur doing that? Wait, what the heck is that? Wait, what's that? Wait, all of them collide waves. Magic is saying them. The final boss. The final boss. It's the final boss. This man just touches my nose. This sound. Hold on, this guy just tap his nose. Yeah, he tapped his nose. It's fine, bro. It sounds good. Dang, bro, you are popping off. Oh, it's good. It's good. It's good. Doing son, that's really off. Oh, that sounds fun. Okay, I love this doggy. I think it's a doggy. Oh, it's Galactic. Hey, Galactic. Long time no see. Okay, I love the doggy on top of the rock. He's so cute and he sounds so good. It's the cat from Mythical Island. It's Comfy and Poopit. I forgot to pronounce your name too. Doing you okay? Pop it off. Oh yeah, the guy from my island. Oh my god! The reptile guy. Dude, the reptile guy from the second island. He's popping off. He's popping it so good. Especially that one guy on the left. No wonder this is the final boss. This light bulb is popping off. I wish it was the light bulb. Humbug! What, can you fly? Yeah, hi. Oh, it's the fly trap. What's up? Reptile guy. I'm gonna name him Reptile guy. Here again. No way you guys care. This is something. It's like a final boss. This is a light bulb. The light bulb is my second. Dun 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 dun. Flash like, get me out of here, you idiot. Oh, he shattered. Credits. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Well, guys, that video was fire. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.